Spotting weaknesses in teams and systems is essential for building an organization that's strong, resilient, and high-performing. In this video, we'll walk through how to uncover the internal gaps that may be slowing you down, from cultural issues to process inefficiencies. Because the sooner you find the weaknesses, the sooner you can fix them. Start with your teams. Weaknesses in teams usually show up as friction, low morale, poor communication, or underperformance. Are projects consistently missing deadlines? Are decisions being delayed or second-guessed? Are people disengaged or unclear about their roles? These are red flags that something deeper needs attention. One of the best ways to identify team weaknesses is through regular feedback loops. Tools like pulse surveys, one-on-ones, and 360-degree reviews help surface insights that people may not feel comfortable sharing in larger settings. When used consistently, these tools create a culture of transparency and continuous improvement. Another method is observing team dynamics. Are meetings productive? Do people contribute ideas freely? Are leaders listening or just directing? Pay attention to energy, engagement, and alignment. A team that lacks trust or clarity will always struggle, no matter how talented the individuals are. Now let's talk about systems. Weaknesses in systems are often less visible, but just as damaging. They can show up as bottlenecks, redundant steps, manual processes, or outdated tools. A good sign of system weakness is when people are spending more time working around a process than using it. If your team relies on endless email threads or has to duplicate data entry, your systems need a second look. To uncover system-level weaknesses, start by mapping workflows. Follow the path of a customer order, a support ticket, or an internal request. Where are the delays? Where is information getting lost? Where is effort being duplicated? Workflow audits, process mapping, and user journey reviews are powerful tools for this. Also, look at your data. Lagging performance, low customer satisfaction, or high error rates often trace back to weak systems. Your metrics don't just show what's happening, they can point to why. If your onboarding process takes too long or your response times are dropping, those are signs your systems aren't supporting your goals. Tech tools can help too. Platforms like project management software, CRM dashboards, and analytics tools can reveal where things are falling through the cracks. Just make sure you're not relying on tools alone. Systems are made up of both processes and people, and it takes both to fix what's broken. It's also important to look at alignment. Are your systems aligned with your strategy? Are your teams structured to support your biggest goals? Sometimes a system isn't weak, it's just solving the wrong problem. Misalignment can drain resources and kill momentum, even if the system is running smoothly. Finally, create a safe space for surfacing issues. People are often aware of weaknesses, but stay quiet out of fear or frustration. A culture that welcomes feedback and acts on it will uncover and fix weaknesses faster than one that avoids tough conversations. Spotting weaknesses is not about blame. It's about building awareness so you can evolve. Strong teams and smart systems don't just appear. They're designed, tested, and refined over time. And by looking closely at where the gaps are, you give yourself the power to close them.